Hi everyone, my name is Jessie Roby and I'm the Access Services Librarian at Page Library. I'll be your host for National Library Week, during which we'll be sharing videos on how to use library services that are still available while our staff work remotely. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the library's main page. And this video focuses on contacting the library. We are still available via email, pagelibrary@lincolnu.edu, and we are still monitoring the library's main number, which is 573-681-5504. Another great way to get in touch with our librarians is using our Ask a Librarian chat feature. You may have noticed at the bottom of your screen there is this little blue box that says Ask the Librarians. If you expand that box, it takes you into a traditional instant messaging type chats where you can type in your question, and then that question will be sent to all of the librarians that are staffing the chat at that time. We do staff chat from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, which are also our hours for the foreseeable future. Now, I have some tips for you to have the most successful chat experience possible. The first tip is to be as specific as possible in your initial question. That will actually save time because it's actually a lot harder for us to ask clarifying questions over chat than it is in person. So, if you are looking for a book, tell us the information you know about the book, such as the title, the author, if it's for a specific course, etc., etc. The second is not to click the X button up in the right hand corner of the chat box because that actually ends a chat. And what that does on our end is we can no longer communicate with you because all of the users of the chat are identified as anonymous users. So unless you provide your contact information to us before you end the chat, we will have no way of getting your answer to you. And we've noticed this is a common theme, so I just wanted to point it out. Please do not end the chat before you get your answer. So that's it for this video. Please check on our social media pages for more services, and happy Library Week.